Command has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Knox, southern Morrow, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. The storm was located 7 miles west of Centerburg and moving northeast at 5 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Mount Gilead, Centerburg, Sparta, Chesterville, Fredericktown. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows.
Now for the